this video, we'll be going over how to log your work time using Jibble. When using Jibble from your desktop, you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. Here you can see the total time you've logged in for each day, as well as your total time for the week. In the upper right hand corner, next to your profile picture, you can see a button that looks like an hourglass. When you click it, you'll see a slide out menu that gives you the option to jibble in and jibble out. The time and date appears as the current day's date and time by default. When you're ready to jibble in, make sure you're under the In tab, then select Confirm In. Once you do, the timer in the upper right hand corner will start. Be aware that Jibble is set to automatically clock you out after 2 hours. If you're working longer than that, you'll want to be sure to go and jibble in again to continue counting your time. When you're done working, don't forget to jibble out. Just go up to the little hourglass in the corner again, and this time hit the Out tab and hit Confirm Out. If you've started working and forgot to jibble in, you can edit your jibble in time. Just go to the hourglass and under the In tab, enter the time you started working under Time Entry Details. Similarly, if you finished working and forgot to jibble out, you can edit your end time under the Out tab. In the phone app, similar to the web browser, you can see your timeline for the week, who's logged in, and your in and out tabs. As with the website, make sure you're under In to log in and Out to log out. Just hit Save in the upper right hand corner to log your ins and outs.